Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Amazing Grace Garden. Welcome back my AGG family, my ladybugs. So y'all, I'm out here in the garden and we're gonna have some salad tonight with some chicken salad. And yeah, and I need some lettuce, okay? So I got a lot of lettuce that I need to harvest, and that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna bring y'all along to this peaceful garden harvest. Actually, garden harvest vlog. Yeah, vlog. So we'll see what all we can do with this lettuce and how it turns out, y'all, and how much we have. All right, y'all, so I have my basket and I have some scissors. And look at this. Oh my goodness, y'all, I just thank Jehovah God for this abundance of food. This abundance of food and me being able to grow it, you know. I mean, come on, what would this cause you in the store? And I'm sorry y'all if I'm sniffling, I can't help that. My allergies is acting crazy. So yeah, but what would this cost? Somebody driving crazy, making all that noise. What would this cost in the store, y'all? What would this cost in the store? These days and times, a lot. It will cost a lot. So much in the store. And my chickens love it too, because this is food for them. I'll be giving them some lettuce too. So, because this lettuce, when you cut your food and get your food, it grows back so fast. And this is perfect timing because we supposed to be getting some rain tonight. I'm not sure how much, but with me going head on and harvesting this, that good old rainwater, woo, gonna have it growing back for another good harvest in a couple of days, okay? So the little pieces of lettuce I'm gonna give the chickens, I'm gonna put right there. But I'm still gonna give them more. So let me do this. And this will be a mixed salad. A mixed salad. Okay. For us tonight. And like I said, I think I'm gonna make some chicken salad. Well, actually, I know I'm gonna make some chicken salad. And it'd be choice if you want it on lettuce, if you want it on lettuce, or if you want it on a bed of salad, or you just want a salad and chicken salad sandwich on the side. Either way, healthy and good. Whew, my allergies. Okay, y'all, so this is one basket of lettuce. It's a lot of lettuce in here, and it's just from this area. Look at that, a lot of lettuce. And I even already done put lettuce to the side for the chickens, and that's from this. So we should have lettuce for a couple days. Look at that, because I'm gonna wash it and chop it down and all that. Now I gotta go over and get more lettuce. All right, y'all, so here's the other thing of lettuce, and oh my goodness, this right here is just so pretty to me. This lettuce right here, look at that. It is so, this is what I just picked. This right here is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. All right, y'all, so this is the other basket of lettuce, okay, that I just did. So that's a lot of lettuce, okay? So much lettuce. So much lettuce, okay? So I got these two. I'm going to take them in. I'm going to wash them really good. And then after I wash them, pat them dry, then I would do a weigh-in. But until then, this is what I have for the ladies. So, and this is how that bin looks now. So I'm gonna go over here, and I still got lettuce over there that needs to be gone, but it won't be gone today. Let me take y'all over here real quick. I think I could get about with picking this tomorrow. Okay, I have some that I put off in here, so I should be able to get that tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, and then I got to get switch charts and stuff, but that'll be another harvest because it's been raining off and on. All right, and so I'm about to take this over here to the ladies. I got y'all some lettuce, some greens. Look. I got y'all some greens. Sure do. They know too. Look. I got y'all some greens. Okay, hold on. Doing it with one hand now. Get back. Okay. There we go. Do that until I can get them from the door. Okay. There you go. Because I don't want them to get out. Sorry, y'all. Summer is right there. Okay. Look at that. They're going to have a feast. Plug that stitching card up there so they light can come on. So, they're going to have a feast. Woo, yes. The black stitching card. There we go. It's on. I had to cut it off one night because they were just out here singing. Wasn't nothing out here or nothing. They were just out here singing and it was late. Woo. And I cut that light off on them. They shut up instantly. I'm talking about 3-something in the morning. Okay. And I can look at my camera and tell wasn't nothing out here around them or anything. They just wanted to sing. Okay. They wanted to sing. But look at that. What a blessing. What a blessing. All right, y'all, so I have washed all that lettuce and now it's time to weigh in. I am tired. So salad probably gonna be tomorrow, but we still gonna eat some of that salad mix on some chicken salad sandwiches. So let's go ahead and weigh it in. All right, y'all, so here go my scale. It says 0. So this is the first pan of salad mix. Okay, so let's see how much it weighs. It has been washed in some vinegar water. That is 2 pounds of salad mix, and you know salad don't weigh much or nothing, so to have 2 pounds, that's good. Okay, so now we got another tray. Okay, and that's 2 pounds. So that's 4 pounds of salad mix, okay? 4 pounds of salad mix. And you would think that this one will weigh more, but it's how I got it sitting off up in there. My scale is really good, so it say 4 pounds together. It's 4 pounds, okay? You can't beat that. Now let me get this bagged up and take out what I need for tonight.
I feel good, like I'm walking on sunshine, and there's nothing